Good morning, my dear friends, students, banking aspirants. Today we have another opportunity which has been announced by Staff Selection Committee. We call it as SSC. So it's a multitasking staff recruitment 2020-2021 which has been announced, right? So the salary levels are maximum up to 4 lakhs. It's a good opportunity. So let's understand one by one what will be the vacancies, examination dates, eligibility criteria, what is the examination pattern, and then where we need to go and apply the important links. Right. What is SSC? SSC is a Staff Selection Commission. Basically, it is a Department of Personnel and Training in Government of India. It is a central government department which recruits for all central government department. Right. Mainly, they will recruit clerk. We call it as LDC. LDC means lower division clerk. And they also recruit for secretary assistant. That is also more or less clerk only. Postal assistant, again it is also clerk. And sorting assistant, which is part of post office requirement. Data entry operator. These are all the main the recruitment which SSC is planning to do under this category. Eligibility criteria: maximum age 25 years of age, minimum 18 years of age. Under 18 you cannot apply. You know, you just have to pass 10 standard, nothing more than that. So the people who are just past 10 standard who can apply MTS, right? Percentage of mark, nothing specific, you just have to pass 10 standard, right? So that is what is required. Important dates: the application commences from, you know, 5 to 2021, that means 5th February. You have a time up to March 21st, right? Then you can make a payment up to 23rd. So what you can say is you have a time till 21st of March for apply. Right? We have a plenty of time. Please log in on the respective website and apply that. Examination structure: 100 question, 100 marks, 1.5 hours time, 90 minutes. What they will ask: simple general English, 10 standard English, very basic reasoning, that is for 25 marks, 25 questions. Max, numerical aptitude, which is very simple, 8th, 9th, 10th standard business max sufficient. 25 marks questions, 25 marks will be there. General awareness, mainly GK, sports, actions, agreement, all general event. Please remember, go and attend this. This is a tier 1 examination, computer based, MCQ, multiple choice questions. Tier 2, it's a simple, you need to write one essay in English or any language which is scheduled under constitutions. Maximum 50 marks, 30 minutes. So first please check what are all the languages which is allowed under 8th schedule of constitutions. Write one essay, right? So to prepare this, I suggest join Nesto because they are having a good experience. They have industry experts. They do adaptive coaching techniques which will help you to clear in the first attempt. Very limited batch size. In a batch, oddly 10-15 students will be there. Individual attentions will be given, right? The faculties are good. Quality coaching will be there. High success rate, right? They will also coach you for interview. For this examination, there is no interview, but still if there is any examinations, you are appearing for interview, they will coach you without any cost. Very good study material will be given. Any other support which you required for you to clear this examination will be provided by Nesto. Important links: registration, visit SSC, and official notification, visit nesto.in. Right? If you want us to call back, click on bankentrance.nesto, contact, give you your information. Counselors will call you and give you more details. Please subscribe our channel. We will notify all the recruitment which is coming up, important information, study material, everything. Thank you so much.